Hello wonderful people, welcome to another intriguing episode on our channel, ImproveNation. Today, we delve into the labyrinth of our inner selves, confronting a formidable adversary that lurks within, our inner enemy. This enemy is elusive, stealthy, and often the hardest one to defeat. But why is that so? Imagine, if you will, a faction of our very own thoughts, emotions, and character traits conspiring against our progress and happiness. Our mental mindset, emotions, and character traits are the key players in this scenario. They form the fabric of this elusive inner enemy. Sometimes it's a negative thought pattern, a tidal wave of uncontrolled emotions, or a deeply ingrained character flaw that holds us back. These internal adversaries are the true barriers to our self-improvement and personal growth. It's not the external factors that hold us back, but the internal ones. Sounds interesting? Stay tuned to discover more. Now let's delve into the mental aspect of our inner enemy. Imagine a battlefield, not outside but within the confines of your own mind. This is where negative thoughts, self-doubt, and fear wage war against your willpower, your aspirations, and your self-esteem. Negative thoughts are like a black hole, absorbing all the light and positivity, leaving behind a void filled with pessimism. Self-doubt is the saboteur that whispers you can't, even when you can, while fear is the chain that keeps you anchored, preventing you from exploring the vast ocean of opportunities. These mental foes are often invisible, but their impact is far from it. They stifle creativity, hinder personal growth, and obstruct the path to self-improvement. They're like weeds choking the beautiful flowers of your potential. These mental barriers often limit our potential. But guess what? We have the power to overcome them. Moving on, we have the emotional and character traits that shape our inner enemy. These are the unseen forces within us, like anger, impatience, and procrastination, that can often hinder our progress. They act as roadblocks on our journey to self-improvement, and can be as challenging to overcome as any external adversary. Anger, for instance, can cloud our judgment, leading us to make rash decisions. Impatience, on the other hand, can cause us to rush through tasks, compromising the quality of our work. And procrastination, that sly enemy, can rob us of our time, one of our most valuable resources. But let's not forget the power of self-awareness and self-control. By recognizing these traits within ourselves and understanding their impact, we equip ourselves with the tools to manage them. We can choose to respond rather than react, to act rather than delay, and to remain calm rather than succumb to anger. Remember, these traits don't define us. We can change them if we choose to. So, how do we defeat this inner enemy? This is the question that often keeps us awake at night. Well, the good news is, there are practical strategies that can help us overcome this elusive foe. Firstly, practicing mindfulness can be a game changer. It's about being present in the moment, observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. This simple act can help us understand our inner enemy better, and thus, manage it effectively. Secondly, adopting a positive mindset is crucial. Yes, it's easier said than done, but remember, our thoughts shape our reality. So let's choose them wisely. And finally, never hesitate to seek professional help if needed. There's no shame in reaching out to therapists or counselors who are trained to help us navigate our inner battles. The battle against the inner enemy is a journey, not a destination, and every step you take towards victory counts. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of inner enemy. In this journey, we've explored the battles within our minds, the mental aspects, our emotional and character traits, and how to win these battles. It's a journey, not a destination. The power to conquer our inner enemies lies within us. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, the journey to self-improvement starts with you. Until next time, keep improving.